Chapter 9. Unity is Strength. Two donkeys. Once there was a washerman who had two donkeys. He called donkey A to the first one, donkey B to the second one. Donkey A felt about himself that he was more energetic and could do better than the donkey B. He always tried to get the washerman's attention by taking more of the load and walking as fast as he could in front of him. Donkey B was just a normal donkey. He tried as hard as he could, but he could not carry as much as donkey A or impress the washerman by walking fast in front of him. After some time, the washerman began to put pressure on donkey B, but donkey B could not meet his expectations. Eventually, donkey B started getting punished. One day, donkey B was crying and asking donkey A to help. He said, "Dear friend, it is only the two of us. Why do we compete against each other? If we work together, we could carry an equal load at a normal speed." Donkey A became even more competitive after that. The next day, he boasted to the washerman that he could carry more and run faster than donkey B. And he did. The washerman, as expected, became even angrier and demanded donkey B to go even faster, punishing him more when he could not. Under the pressure, donkey B collapsed in great fatigue and quietly passed away. As a result of the collapse, donkey A felt like he was on top of the world, having proved his superior skills and abilities. But now, he also had to carry donkey B's load. For a short time, donkey A was able to carry both loads, but eventually became fatigued and weak. The washerman had no compassion on this once superior, but now tired donkey. He yelled and demanded more. But as hard as this donkey tried, he could not come close to satisfying his demand. Finally, the day came when the washerman was tired of his fatigueness and he was no more considered to be a good donkey. He dropped him to the forest and went searching for some other donkeys. Cooperation helps to achieve goals. Cooperation is the action or process of working together to the same end. Cooperation learning helps to raise achievements of students. It builds positive relationships among students. It provides experiences that develop both good learning skills and social skills. When students work towards a common goal, academic work becomes an activity valued by peers. Students are able to translate the teacher's language into students' language for one another. Students who explain to one another strengthen their own learning. When students need to organize their thoughts in order to explain them to teammates, they must engage in thinking but builds on other ideas, which greatly enhance their own understanding. Teammates can provide individual attention and assistance to one another. Regular constructive and collaborative study groups can assist you with mastery of materials, exam preparations, and better performances on tests. Cooperative situations help to create peaceful atmosphere because participants give encouragement and support to one another.